In this game, you either play as my friend Stefan or my friend Jesse. Stefan has a gun, but the way to reload it is you have to do this in the exact order, or it doesn't reload, because I think Stefan wouldn't know how to reload a gun. And then Jesse's moves are just he moves his cock from side to side. When you're playing as Jesse with the mouse, you have to swap your cock from right to left and try not to get shot in the dick. And Stefan has to try and shoot you in the dick, but he only has so much ammo, and then he has to